Well, hello there YouTubers. Here we have this Cannondale Trail 7. It's the one I was working on this morning. You see the other video from that. And it's now looking pretty good. The forks are relatively cleaned up. They're basic old Suntour forks, still need to give a bit of a cosmetic clean around the seals there. They have got new grease and things in them. I cleaned most of the rust off. I cleaned the rest of the rust off later on. Yeah, it's got new chaining cassette on here now. The wheel is relatively straight now. It's usable at least. It was rubbing on the frame before. There's still a bit of a wobble there, but you know, once the rim is gone beyond its yield point, it can be quite hard to get it back. And if I keep tightening the spoke, it's probably just going to pull through the actual rim, and that's the end of the wheel. Whereas leaving it as is would be the best way to get more life out of it. They sell 27.5 inch wheels down the road, but there's no 29s in stock, so yeah. Plus it adds to the cost, so you know, like this, it's relatively good anyway. Yeah, new 8-speed cassette, new 8-speed chain. It has got a dual 9-speed capable derailleur, but that will do 8-speed as well, as far as I'm aware. I'm pretty certain that's the case, unless I'm being an idiot, but it does go through all the gears fine, so as far as I'm concerned it does work. Which is kind of mad, that was just laying around in a car. Derailleur prices are insane. They wanted £24.99 for an Acera. The Olivio was, which is a 9-speed capable unit with shadow technology and stuff. The Olivio was £17.99, but yeah, they're out of stock, so you know, only had the Acera. £24 for an Acera. No. We don't normally pay £24 with bikes that have a Acera on them. That's not a thing. It's got a 2x out front. Trail, it states trail on it. What's this warning sticker say? To reduce the risk of injury, always wear a helmet, or that's that normal sticker you usually get up here. Total control. Designed for short stems and wide bars. Well, yep, it should be. Everything. 68. Confident handling. 68-degree head angle. I'm a superhero on it. I don't know why they're saying that. 68 degree is steep as these days. Like, damn. That's just crazy. Yeah, overall, it's a pretty reasonable little entry-level cross-country bike. I do need to route this cable through here, I've just remembered. But yeah, apart from that, it's pretty much done and working. It's rideable. I have ridden it a couple of miles down the road. Making some breakfast now, and then I'll be testing it later with the dog. Yeah, that concludes this video. This Cannondale Trail 7 is fixed.